Jharkhand was founded by the Bihar Reorganization Act on 15 November 2000 as the 28th state of India. 15 November is also observed as the birth anniversary of the legendary Bhagwan Birsa Munda. It carved out from Bihar in 2000. Previously, it was a part of the southern half of Bihar. It is the homeland of the tribals who had dreamed for a separate state for long. After independence, due to the Jharkhand Mukti Morcha's regular agitation, impelled the government to stabilize the Jharkhand Area Autonomous Council in 1995 and finally an independent state. Jharkhand was established on 15th of November 2000. Its capital is Ranchi. The sub-capital of Jharkhand is Dumka. The largest city of Jharkhand is Jamshedpur. The Governor of Jharkhand is Ramesh Bias. The Chief Minister of Jharkhand is Hemant Soren. Jharkhand is a state in eastern India. It was carved out of the southern part of Bihar on 15th of November 2000. Jharkhand shares its border with the states of Bihar to the north, Uttar Pradesh and Chhattisgarh to the west, Odisha to the south, and West Bengal to the east. The name Jharkhand means the land of forests.
The first Chief Minister of Jharkhand was Babulal Marandi. He served Jharkhand from 15th of November 2000 to 17th of March 2003. The second Chief Minister of Jharkhand was Arjun Munda. He served Jharkhand from 18th of March 2003 to 2nd of March 2005. The third Chief Minister of Jharkhand was Shibu Soren. He served Jharkhand from 2nd of March 2005 to 12th of March 2005. The fourth Chief Minister of Jharkhand was Arjun Munda. He served Jharkhand for the second time from 12th of March 2005 to 19th of September 2006. The fifth Chief Minister of Jharkhand was Madhu Koda. He served Jharkhand from 19th of September 2006 to 27th of August 2008. The sixth Chief Minister of Jharkhand was Shibu Soren. He served Jharkhand for the second time from 27th of August 2008 to 19th of January 2009. The seventh Chief Minister of Jharkhand was Shibu Soren. He served Jharkhand for the third time from 30th of December 2009 to 31st of May 2010. The eighth Chief Minister of Jharkhand was Arjun Munda. He served Jharkhand for the third time from 11th of September 2010 to 18th of January 2013. The ninth Chief Minister of Jharkhand was Hemant Soren. He served Jharkhand from 13th of July 2013 to 27th of December 2014. The 10th Chief Minister of Jharkhand was Raghuvar Das. He served Jharkhand from 28th of December 2014 to 29th of December 2019. The 11th Chief Minister of Jharkhand is Hemant Soren. He is serving Jharkhand for the second time. His tenure has started from 29th of December 2019 till present.
The first governor of Jharkhand was Sri Prabhat Kumar. He served for Jharkhand from 15th November 2000 to 3rd February 2002. The second governor of Jharkhand was V.C. Pandey. He served for Jharkhand from 4th February 2002 to 14th July 2002. The third governor of Jharkhand was N. Rama Joyce. He served for Jharkhand from 15th July 2002 to 11th June 2003. The fourth governor of Jharkhand was Ved Marwa. He served for Jharkhand from 12th June 2003 to 9th December 2004. The fifth governor of Jharkhand was Sheth Shipte Razi. He served for Jharkhand from 10th December 2004 to 25th July 2009. The sixth governor of Jharkhand was Katikal Shankara Narayanan. He served for Jharkhand from 26th July 2009 to 21st January 2010. The seventh governor of Jharkhand was M. O. Hassan Farooq Marikar. He served for Jharkhand from 22nd January 2010 to 3rd September 2011. The eighth governor of Jharkhand was Syed Ahmad. He served for Jharkhand from 4th September 2011 to 17th May 2015. The ninth governor of Jharkhand was Draupadi Murmu. She served for Jharkhand from 18th May 2015 to 12th July 2021. The 10th governor of Jharkhand is Ramesh Bais. He is serving for Jharkhand from 14th July 2021.
Besides industries and agriculture, tourism in Jharkhand also forms an indelible part of the economy of Jharkhand. With the coming of the foreign tourists in India, Jharkhand tourism has taken a big stride forward. Jharkhand is blessed with an exotic landscape. The rolling hills, beautiful plateaus, sparkling rivers, etc., that largely contribute towards tourism at Jharkhand. Besides the national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, holy shrines, and museums, Hundru Fall, Jonha Fall, Betla National Park, Palmu, Dalma Wildlife Sanctuary, Chandel, Rock Garden, Ranchi, Jubilee Park, Jamshedpur, Deoghar, Baidyanath Dham, and Rajrappa.
Agriculture in Jharkhand is the mainstay for most of the tribal communities. In fact, about 80% of the total population practices agriculture in Jharkhand. Jharkhand is known to be one of the most important industry belts in India. But in spite of the rich terrain, the condition of the common people in Jharkhand is pathetic. The tribal population in Jharkhand is largely dependent on agriculture. Cultivation seems to be mainstay of the people of Jharkhand. It is now noteworthy that the total area of agricultural lands in Jharkhand is about 2.57 hectares, which produce a total of 37.85 tons of food grains. Among the important crops that forms an important part of agriculture of Jharkhand are paddy, wheat, pulses, oilseeds, maize, steel, sugarcane, bajra, etc.
There are many festivals celebrated across Jharkhand. Some of them are Chhath Puja, Sarhul, Tushu Parab or Makar and Karam. Chhath Puja. Chhath is an ancient Hindu festival and only Vedic festival dedicated to the Hindu sun god Surya. The sun, considered the god of energy and of the life force, is worshipped during the Chhath festival to promote well-being, prosperity and progress. Sarhul. Sarhul is celebrated during spring season and the sal trees get new flowers on their branches. It is a worship of the village deity who is considered to be the protector of the tribes. People sing and dance a lot when the new flowers appear. Tushu Parav or Makar. This festival is mostly seen in the area between Bundu, Tamar and Raidi area of Jharkhand. Tushu is a harvest festival held during the winter in the last day of Posh month. Although there is no documented history available on this festival, but it has huge collection of scintillating songs full of life and taste. These songs reflect the simplicity and innocence of tribal people. Karam. The Karam festival is a worship of Karam Devta, the god of power, youth, and youthfulness, and is held on the power of moon in Bhadra month. During this period, people sing and dance in groups. This is one of the rare examples of such a vital and vibrant youth festival in Jharkhand's tribal area.